So guys, I'm here to do a breakdown, top-down analysis on how I was able to catch a trade. You can see on the weekly time frame, that's where we start our analysis. I was able to determine that price is already in a bullish trend. As you can see, overall price is already bullish, but then where can you enter from? That is where your question will now be. So the past week before now, price closed around here. Price gave us an open close level, and then price tapped into it and closed above. Like price tapped into it, and after price tapped into it, we went to the daily time frame. Then we were able to see that price formed a CRT, and one of my criteria for CRT trading is once the daily shows a CRT, then we know that we'll move to like the 1 hour time frame to look for our entries. 1 hour, 4 hours for our entries. So like this now, that is a CRT high. Now let's go to the 4 hours if we could see anything. Mind you, what we're looking for is a QM. Now on the 4 hours time frame, we are already seeing the two zones already, or even 3 zones, but let's say which one is the closest to the inducement. Then you see that this particular one at the left hand, this QM is what is closer to the liquidity. But still, let's go to the 1 hour time frame to look for a much more better place of putting it. So now on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that price gave us a perfect what they call it, sweep and then break. Give us a perfect sweep and then break. Look at it here. From here, price went up, came here, dropped, swept that low, swept this low. After it swept, that was when it was tapping on that weekly open close level, broke structure. Mind you, when we are using this thing, we usually use the line chart to confirm for the break of structure. You can see it gave a break of structure. So now with that break of structure, it's giving us confirmation that we need to start looking for possible buys. So price also went down with this week, showing us that there is a possibility of price coming back to clear this, to collect liquidity from here to continue buying because of this imbalance here also, which is giving us a high probability setup, you understand. So what next we'll just do like this is we'll be entering from this fair value gap, you understand. You can place your trade, like if you should place any trade right now, let's say this is where we want to place our trade. The lines are too much, let me reduce them. You want to place your trade here now, your QM, and then your SL will be below. For me, my SL usually used to be below the low of that high, like it's usually below this low, so that just in case price comes and dance around, I still want to come down to fill in this, because all these places are still valid zones. So just in case price want to still come and fill them, they still have enough room. So even if it's big, you just know with proper risk management you can do it to like not blow your account. So here to here, and then here will be maybe like your first this thing, what they call it, your first take profits. And then if you want to still hold, if you feel like you can hold, you can still hold to this zone. For me, I held till 1 to 8 as I saw price kept on going, so I held to 1 to 8. 1 to 8, that was where I stopped, I closed, because as I saw price, the momentum price used, I left my trade open. So 1 to 8, that was how I was able to get that particular trade. If you check my Telegram channel, you'll see it. My TikTok channel, you'll see this trade. So that was how I was able to get it. Hope you guys understood. You can follow for more of this kind of videos.